how to fix GTA 5 application was enabled to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just right click on your GTA 5 icon, then just go to compatibility. Once you're here, go to change settings for all users. Now just you will find it like that. Wait, you'll find it like that. Now all you need to do, just turn on those two options and turn on this option and select Windows 7 and click OK, and click OK again. And now all you need to do, just right click here, go to task manager and then click startup. And once you're here, just disable all applications that you don't need, all unnecessary applications like Rave, Spotify, Skype. Right click on it and you will find it like that. Just click right click and disable it. And after that, just go back and then restart your PC and try again, and that's it, your problem is fixed. And see you in the next video.